Before you make your next dry plantain and beans, please make sure you watch this particular video. So to start with, in a clean pot, I added my red oil, chopped onions. Make sure you fry your onions very well so that it can release its flavor to the oil. So the next thing I added was my pepper mix. This pepper mix is fresh pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, and a little tomato. So I'll make sure I fry it very well. So while that is frying, the next thing I'll do is to arrange the plantain that I'll be using to cook. Guess how much I bought this plantain on the comment section and win something from me. So I'll just go ahead, remove the back of the plantain and slice it. While I'm doing this, my pepper sauce, or should I say the sauce that I'll be using for this particular food, is still on the fire. You can see me trying to like fry it and remove the back of the plantain at the same time. Please, if you're watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Then I added all my spices, that is salt, seasoning powder, curry, and that last thing you see me adding was crayfish before I started adding water. I go ahead to mix it together and I'll cover it and allow it to boil while I cut my plantain to my desired shape. So guys, how do you love your plantain? Do you like it with beans? I mean the ripe one, or do you just prepare it and cook it porridge like that? Let us know that on the comment section. For me, I prefer making my own with beans. That is the ripe one. It's only the unripe one that I'll just like, make porridge like that and leave it. So while my sauce is boiling, I added my pre-cooked beans. I've already like pre-cooked it so that it will be easy for me. And the next thing I added was the sliced plantain. Then I'll mix it together, cover it and allow it to cook. And voila, our beans and plantain porridge is ready. Tell me, will you be trying this recipe? Let us know that on the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe, hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.